gonna think this through. Oof, that's ice. It's like I'm still in Chicago. This would be the closest thing we have to brush off snow. Not really prepared here. Yes. So I finally managed to wrangle this dog. He's been a very naughty boy. I think we have to start his obedience training again. He was really good for a while, but then I think a lot of people, including myself, have been spoiling him a lot and letting him get away with things that we usually don't let him get away with. So that's on us, not on him. I take full responsibility. So being a dog parent is pretty hard, but regardless, the FJ. This thing, we have a lot of content coming your way, and I say that all the time. And whoa, guys, there's a white FJ over there. I wonder if he's gonna say hi. No? You gonna say hi, bro? Oh well, bye-bye. Alright, well, back to my FJ. So we have a lot coming for this. Again, I feel bad for the people that actually follow my channel and, you know, see what I'm trying to do and all that jazz, and that I'm not being consistent. I kind of did stop doing my weekly uploads at this new year just because I don't want to just keep pumping out content just to pump out content. So we got reviews coming, we got installs coming because I need to change out the brakes. I got a rock sliders to put in, and then got some adventures, a lot of adventures. So we just gotta fund those adventures, so gotta keep doing those real estate deals to fund all this. Got a lot to do, costs a lot of money. So if you're located in the Dallas area and want to buy, sell, rent, whatever the case, let me know. I can definitely help you out. And if you're in the area but just want to go mountain biking, go off-roading, go camping, let me know too. But I'm gonna end this video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.